This one is little blue stem. I grew up calling it sage grass. You'd see it out in the fields on the side of the road, but it is indeed little blue stem. This is what it looks like when it's young and growing in our greenhouses. It tops out at about, I don't know, 4 feet or so. And then, right before the fall, we cut it back to this plug. So this is what you'll be receiving in the box. It's pretty much dormant, but look at the root system on this thing. This will explode next spring and summer and make a big plant with big seed heads. It's unlike some of the other plugs from other nurseries that are really small. This will really perform well even in the first year. Little Blue is beautiful both as habitat or in your landscape. You may want to put some clumps of this in your front yard, but it works equally well out at the cabin. So these are all on sale right now. Go to our website, nativenurseries.com, to learn more. Little Blue Stem.